Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your resume on Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's simply go to our profile settings. Right here at the very top on the rightmost section, next to the notification bell, lies your profile. Simply click on it, and then from here, let's move on to profile. Now this is my official Indeed profile. Do note that I had created a resume in my previous video. In case you don't know how to, you can look at that as well. Now I simply want to delete this resume as I found a better option. So let's try to delete it. At the top right, next to the searchable icon lies these three dots. Simply click on it. And something like this will open up, giving you many options like change privacy, download and everything. At the very bottom, you'll find the delete button. It's in red. Simply click on it and give your confirmation, delete. And guys, there you go. That's how you delete your resume on Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Thank you.